Hello, I'm Ben and I'm the Director of Margam Park Adventure. We are an outdoor adventure company that provides adventurous activities in the grounds of Margam Country Park. Activities include things like paddleboarding, canoeing, kayaking, raft building, mountain biking, and also go-kart and bike hire. We can be found just off junction 38 of the M4 in Margam Country Park. Our activities are very inclusive and are suitable for all age ranges and abilities. We have customers that are corporate, that are families, and even birthday parties. What we like most about Margam Country Park is all of our activities can take part in one place. We have 850 acres of wild parkland that we can explore. What we like most about Nyth Port Talbot is the great access and transport links, making it very easy to get to all the epic businesses that are in the location. We are known for our unique landscapes, where the mountains meet the sea. You can take part in many activities such as mountain biking and surfing, all in one day. I would encourage anyone and everyone to visit the dramatic heart of Wales due to the unique diversity of things that you can do and see. You're invited to find your epic in the dramatic heart of Wales.